Nobody will ever have the perfect drone. People want to buy them for so many reasons. Some want to shoot cinematic masterpieces, some like to race, and some just want to buy them for fun. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the latest drone from DJI with improved performance and features. However, if you want to buy a drone that can replace the DJI Mini 3 Pro, then this video is for you. In today's video, we have made a list of the 5 best DJI Mini 3 Pro alternatives that can do the job. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The Ruko F11 GIM2 is a great portable drone for the money that you can use instead of a DJI Mini 3 Pro to get outstanding footage. The quality might not be as great as the Mini 3, but it will get the job done. This drone has high-quality brushless motors which are powerful and produce less noise. Also, the GIM2 combines gimbals and electronic stabilization to provide smooth and clear footage. To guarantee a safe flight, this drone comes with an auto-return feature, so your drone will come back to the starting location when it's low on battery or lost connection. With 2 intelligent batteries, you can fly this drone for up to 56 minutes, which is more than enough to capture your desired shots. So, what are you waiting for? Enhance your aerial footage without spending much. There are too many reasons for buying a drone, and if you're after speed, maneuverability, and tracking, the Skydio Plus 2 is near perfect. This drone can perform complex tracking, navigation, and obstacle avoidance maneuvers while maintaining cinematic composition, all with the press of a button. It has speeds up to 36 mph to follow fast-paced action. The 1/2.3-inch sensor is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 fps, which is just fine for the average user. Also, this drone boasts various skill modes including cable cam, vortex, fixed track, orbit, and many more, which you can use to make your footage way more creative. With the keyframe feature, you can define complex camera movements to get the footage you desire. In general, the Skydio 2 Plus is obviously an amazing drone for your fast-paced action. Autel Evo Nano Plus offers an advanced obstacle avoidance system to make it an obvious choice for users who want to avoid crashes. And for this feature, the Nano Plus can be a great addition to your adventure instead of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone adapts binocular vision sensors that enable the drone to perceive obstructions all around. The 150-degree forward perception can accurately locate obstacles even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Its color filter array design ensures vivid and detailed footage. Also, this drone is lightweight like the Mini 3 Pro, making it easy to carry no matter where you go. With the Sky Portrait feature, you can blur the background automatically for additional cinematic effect. Not only that, you can shoot 4K videos at 30 fps. Overall, for the people who want to keep their drone safe while flying, the Autel Evo Nano Plus is a must-have. DJI Mini 3 Pro is the best drone in the Mini lineup, which is also a little bit pricey. But if you're a beginner or entry-level flyer, the DJI Mini 2 can be the most suitable pick for you, which can be used as an alternative to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 2 comes with many of the best features you will find in the company's larger drones. The 4K camera is dynamite, which can allow you to shoot 4K videos at 30 fps, and with the 3-axis gimbal, this drone can ensure buttery smooth shots. It even comes with intelligent functions like hyperlapse, panorama, boomerang, and many more, making it possible for beginners to shoot Hollywood-level videos with ease. Besides, the maximum battery life of 31 minutes grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. If you don't mind spending more time to get better features and performance, then the DJI Air 2S can be a great alternative to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It might not be lightweight like the Mini 3 Pro, but it can deliver the marvelous performance that you need to shoot outstanding aerial footage. Even the camera sensor on the Air 2S is larger than the Mini 3 Pro, meaning you can capture more light and provide a better dynamic range along with a 5.4K video resolution. Both images and videos look superb with the 10-bit D-Log M-Color profile. Also, a wide variety of automated flying modes and sensors on all sides make it easy to shoot cinematic footage. In short, you can take this all-in-one aerial powerhouse as an alternative to the DJI Mini 3 Pro to record your world in stunning detail. So that was all about the 5 best DJI Mini 3 Pro alternatives just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.